Hello students, welcome to French Learners Group. I am Poonam, your French language instructor. Let's start today's lesson. French colors are in masculine and feminine form. Now let's start the pronunciation of colors. Rouge, rouge. Vert, vert. Jaune, jaune. Bleu, bleu. Blanc, blanche. Noir, noir. Marron, marron. Orange, orange. Violet, violette. Rouge, rouge. Gris, grise. Or, or. Argent, argenté. You can contact us on the given number and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.